Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the EOMONTH function in Microsoft Excel. EOMONTH or end of month function allows the user to get the end of month date from a specific date and dates from that given month. Well, to further explain the function, let's just go ahead straight to an example. First, we would have to type the EOMONTH function. Next, we will need to satisfy the variables needed for the EOMONTH function. Let's select the date given as the start date. Next, let's go ahead and put months. The months we indicate here determine how many months from our current date we should be getting the end of date from. For example, if we indicate 0 months, we would be getting the end of month of May since we did not move any months from May. As for January, we would be moving 1 month, so the end of date month would be for February, and so on and so forth for the other values. As you can see, we are given a serial date instead of a real date. To remedy this, let's change the format of our table. By selecting this column, we could easily go to Format Cells and go to Date. Scroll down until we get the same format as our date column. Press OK. Here, you can see that we got a date of May 31. Let's go ahead and drag it to the other cells. As expected, 1 month from January gave us February, 2 months from March gave us May, and -2 months from September would give us July. And that is how we use the EOMONTH function in Microsoft Excel.